My name is Fermin Acevedo with Master Builders Group. For this project, the customer selects FSC Masranduba. Well, FSC certified materials and this wood is important for us and for our customers in this project because we are very respectful of the environment. The other factor that our customer and most of the customer we're looking for is durability. We feel that the product that we provide to our customer will last for many, many years. The hidden deck fastening system is very handy, it's easy to work with. I feel very confident that the work will hold for many years with this system and it's fast. Work with people in customer service that can speak both English and Spanish is very important for us because of our customers or because of terminologies that we need to understand better. We know that the product will guarantee us and the customer many years enjoying this deck.